Hey fashionistas, welcome back to your ultimate style destination. Today, we're diving straight into 2025's hottest accessory trends. The ones that'll turn heads, drop jaws, and make you the ultimate trendsetter. We're talking like, you walk down the street and people are like, who is that? Kind of vibes. And guess what? These trends aren't just for the runways, they're here to upgrade your looks. Anyway, get ready for some serious style inspo because these trends are gonna blow. Ready? Let's go! Okay, first up, we've got a major blast from the past. Medicine bags are back, baby. But hold on, we're not talking about your grandma's dusty old thing. These are structured, vintage-inspired doctor bags with a serious modern twist. Think luxurious suede finishes, oversized styles, and like an effortlessly chic touch that just screams, I woke up like this. Fabulous. You can totally dress them up or down. Pair one with a flowy dress and some chunky sneakers for a cool, casual look, or rock it with a blazer and tailored pants for a more polished vibe. The possibilities are endless, you guys. And the best part? They're super practical. Like you can fit your entire life in these things. Phone? Check. Wallet? Check. Emergency chocolate stash? Double check. Plus, it's giving very much I'm a mysterious intellectual who carries around important artifacts vibes. And honestly, I'm here for it. Alright, moving on to our next trend, belted work bags. These aren't your average boring office bags. We're talking polished, professional bags, but with a super chic belt detail that just elevates the entire look. Imagine strolling into your next big meeting with this bag. You'll be radiating confidence and sophistication. People will be like, okay, they mean business. Plus, the belt adds a little bit of an edge, so it's not too serious either. With a belted work bag, you'll be the envy of all your coworkers. Chapter 3. Big bags, big energy, channel your inner maximalist. Okay, this next trend is for my fellow maximalists out there. Big bags are back and bigger than ever. And honestly, I am living for it. Gone are the days of trying to cram your entire life into a tiny purse. With a big bag, you can literally carry everything you need and more. And the best part? They're super practical and chic. Like you can throw one over your shoulder and instantly elevate any outfit. But if you really want to make a statement, go for a big bag with some texture or a bold print. These bags are basically walking pieces of art. And let's be real, who doesn't want to carry around a masterpiece? Chapter 4. Hats, sunnies, belts, the holy trinity of accessories. Alright, let's talk about the finishing touches. Hats, sunglasses, and belts. These accessories are like the cherry on top of your outfit. They can totally transform your look and add that extra bit of personality. Plus, they're a great way to experiment with different styles without going overboard. For hats, think bucket hats for a cool, streetwear vibe, berets for a touch of Parisian chic, or wide-brimmed sun hats for some serious drama. And let's not forget about sunglasses. Oversized, 70s-inspired shades are still going strong, but you can also experiment with different shapes and colors. And of course, no outfit is complete without a belt. Chapter 5. Patterns, colors, textures. Don't be afraid to experiment. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about patterns, colors, and textures. This is where you can really let your personality shine and have some fun with your accessories. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prints, colors, and materials. One trend that's huge for 2025 is chocolate brown. It's such a rich, versatile color that looks amazing on everyone. Another trend I'm loving is animal print. Leopard, zebra, snakeskin. You name it, it's in. And finally, let's talk about textures. Woven leather, braided details, and even faux fur are all super on trend right now. These textures add dimension and interest to your outfit, and they can really elevate your look. Outrow. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Quick pro tip. Invest in timeless pieces with quality craftsmanship. They're worth every penny and will stay in style for years. And don't shy away from bold accessories. They're the perfect conversation starters. Before you go, I want to know, what's your favorite trend from today's lineup? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're loving these style updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we've got more fashion deep dives coming your way. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.